Hi, I'm Casey and this is another video about my journey with braces at McIntosh Dental. So, in this video I want to show everyone how I do my oral hygiene at the end of the day. After I've eaten dinner, I usually go and do my whole teeth, this system that helps with, cleaning bacteria and brackets and everything. So, when I first came home with my braces, they gave me a goodie bag and it had everything that I need to take care of my braces and my teeth. So, there was this electric toothbrush in it, and they told me how to brush my teeth properly. So, you brush up at the gum and the tip on the top of your teeth, and you do that all over there, and on the bottom you do like the bottom line of the gum. And then you're gonna brush like along the wire and the brackets, and then down at the tip of your teeth, like here, and the bite line, and on the inside. So it is a long process, but it gets quicker, I promise, which is good. And they also come with like toothpaste, and as you can see, I've used a lot of it. So yeah, that's how you brush your teeth with braces on properly. And then they gave me a super flosser. So this is a super flosser. It's basically this long floss, and it comes with heaps of them. So on it, it has a firm end, a fuzzy, fluffy kind of end, and a normal floss end. So basically, what you've got to do is you go beneath the wire, then you gather it, and then you go with the fluffy end. So let me show you. Like that. And then gather around with the fluffy and kind of rub. And then you do that just along the 4 front teeth. And you can only use these once. So after you use them, you need to chuck them away. So then they gave me a whole pack of interdental brushes. So this is an interdental brush. They're basically these like really small fluffy flosses that you go like beneath the wire on the bottom teeth. So you can only use these for 2 weeks, and after you need to get a new one. So they're just basically these fluffy brushes that you go underneath, like, and then you move on with the next tooth. So that is really quick. And then after you've done that, you need to go in with, I don't know if this is necessary because I don't do this every night, but I do this most night. It is a tooth mousse. So it rubs along and just cleans your teeth, just get that like last effect of it. And yeah, you just get like a pea size and kind of just rub around, and there's no like proper way of doing it. So yeah, that's my oral hygiene at the end of the day.